Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to find maximum value or number from Excel data or Excel sheet. So I'm going to show you my Excel. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on Excel sheet. So guys, here you can see this is my Excel sheet, and I have some data here, monthly data, month-wise data, and per week sale I have mentioned here. So I want to find out maximum number from this 4 week, okay, of particular month. So there is a simple process. First you have to select sale, or you have to point out the sale where you want to apply the result, then select the data. Sorry, don't select data, just point out the sale. Now go to the home, and you will find the auto sum option. Just click on it and click on max. Okay, so the automatic sale the Excel will be automatic select the data or range. So guys, Excel will automatically select a range of data, or may, if you want to switch range, you can just select this corner, and you can select range. Okay, just select the corner of any of these four. If you want to find maximum value from month wise, you can find out. If you want to maximum value from all table, you can find out. If just select the data and just hit the enter, then you can see I have maximum data of this range. This is 35,000, which is this one. So you can copy this formula to other cell. Just select the all cell and just hit the control and D, then formula will select copy here, and this is your result. So you can manage as per your requirements. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.